Bangladesh ni Patimung nogai Haste gnangai Khorang Naikolmung rwkha Sakha Haste ni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha Asalo kok sanani thangai Haste ni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha Sakha Hakotor Haphang joto Patimung no Naikoloi tongka hne abo haikino Haste ni DCP bai sajaka koklam hne tei joto bodar amsayo Khorang Naikolmung rwkhnani bagibo dagimung rwkha hne.
Naturally, it is international problem now. So our from our central leadership, they already have communicated and they have given their message. And in the line of the same, we also should say that they should restrain, they should protect the Hindu peoples over there, not Hindu, the minority over there. So we are actually observing, and I have already talked to DG also today. Yesterday he came to me. I told him that to see the borders so that there should not be any intruder shootings come inside.
How is the role of the opposition parties on this issue? We often find them shouting on.
They are not telling anything. They are busy for Gaza. They are for Iraq. For that they only come on the road. Otherwise, for these issues they never have spoken a single word. You already have spoken.
Thanks.
Raja Khorang simi pranab ni kokthum Chini Khorang.
জুড়ে থাকে বাঁধন আপনার চেয়েও আপন জুড়ে থাকে বাঁধন আপনার চেয়েও আপন আপনার চেয়েও আপন